5 superfoods for kidney health you must eat every day. Best foods for kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in producing essential hormones, maintaining electrolyte balance, and efficiently filtering waste from our blood. Chronic kidney disease often stems from inadequate dietary and lifestyle habits. Here are 5 superfoods beneficial for kidney health that you should incorporate into your daily diet. 1. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, although small in size, pack a powerful punch by reducing inflammation and quickly satiating hunger. They are abundant in plant protein, fiber, antioxidants, heart-healthy fats, and omega-3 fatty acids. Due to their elevated levels of potassium and phosphorus, nuts and seeds are particularly effective in assisting kidney cleansing. 2. Garlic. Garlic is renowned for its therapeutic properties, primarily attributed to allicin, one of its key components, known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular intake of garlic helps safeguard kidney function, reduce blood pressure, and prevent cardiovascular diseases associated with high cholesterol levels. 3. Apples. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber known for its ability to lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. It's advisable to consume the peel as well, as it boasts a rich array of antioxidants, including quercetin, which may offer protection to brain tissue. 4. Bell peppers. Red bell peppers contribute to kidney health due to their low potassium levels. Additionally, they offer a spectrum of minerals, vibrant color, rich flavor, dietary fiber, folic acid, and vitamins C, B6, and A. Moreover, they contain lycopene, an antioxidant known for its protective effects against certain cancers. 5. Fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish offers cardiovascular benefits by mitigating inflammation. Salmon, for instance, aids in lowering blood cholesterol levels, thus diminishing the risk of kidney disease. Additionally, its high-quality protein content supports both muscular and overall health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.